Hey guys, so we've got the CMMG ZEROED 36 raw. I have this mounted to my CMMG Mutant 47 in 762x39. We are running some Griffin Armament QD hookups for their dual lock system. That is what I have running on this gun, as I've been running my dual lock on this gun for years. So let's go and load this up and see what it sounds like. We are running Wolf 124 grain steel cased ammunition out of this gun. It likes it, it works great. Let's go and put out 5 rounds. We are about 5 feet from the camera, so you'll really be able to hear it. This is a 36 cal can. I like pushing the 36 cal cans as a lot of people are moving to the 338 arcs and the 8.6 blackouts. This allows you to have a lot more room for caliber changes in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.